Top 5 Best Telescopes for Beginners. Number 5. Celestron AstroMaster 130 EQ. For the fresh-faced astronomer, picking the right telescope can be a tough choice, but the Celestron AstroMaster 130 EQ is built with newbies in mind. This powerful, lightweight telescope requires zero tools for setup, making assembly quick and easy. With fully coated glass optics, 2 eyepieces, and a star-pointer red dot finder scope, this telescope is the whole package. Included in this deal is a free download of Celestron's Starry Night software, so you can learn everything there is to know about what's in front of your lens. The AstroMaster's included tripod provides a sturdy base of stainless steel, enabling you to navigate the night sky wobble-free. The 2 slow-motion knobs on this telescope also allow for straightforward precision adjustments and seamless tracking of celestial objects. Celestron has inarguably outdone itself with this streamlined design that can be appreciated by novices and pros alike. This low cost comes with everything included and would be a deal to pass up on. Pros: easy to set up. Lightweight frame. Includes free astronomy software program. Cons: included eyepieces may be uncomfortable. Coming in number 4. Celestron NexStar 130 SLT. Computerized telescopes can be great for absolute beginners because they have thousands of celestial bodies logged and ready to pinpoint. The Celestron NexStar 130 SLT offers a database of thousands of stars, galaxies, and more. The Sky Tour device helps point out objects that will be easy for you to find based on when and where you're looking. This pick is on the lighter side, weighing in at a little over 11 pounds, meaning you can take it anywhere for precise stargazing. It also comes with 2 eyepieces, one that's 25mm and one that's 9mm, for magnifications of 26 times and 72 times respectively, though the telescope's maximum useful magnification is 307 times, with the right eyepiece. Its one downfall is that it's expensive. If you're itching for a computerized telescope at a slightly lower cost, we also like the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX130AZ smartphone app-enabled reflector telescope. Pros: lightweight. Star pointer finder scope included. Computerized hand control. Cons: expensive. Coming in number 3. Celestron FirstScope telescope. It's hard to find affordable telescopes, much less one that comes with the bells and whistles you need for optimal use. This telescope and accessory kit combo from Celestron goes for less than $100, giving you the maximum bang for your buck as you wade into stargazing. It's just 3.6 pounds, meaning you can easily bring it anywhere for on-the-go viewing. It comes with 20mm and 4mm eyepieces, which offer magnifications of 15 times and 75 times respectively. The magnifications and aperture offered here are lower than others on our list, and as such, it can make viewing certain celestial objects difficult. For example, you likely won't be able to view harder-to-see planets like Mars. The accessory kit helps make up for it by including a 5x24 finder scope and moon filter, which increases contrast and reduces brightness to give you a better view. Pros: super affordable. Accessory kit includes eyepieces, moon filter, and finder scope. Only 3.6 pounds. Cons: not ideal for viewing planets. Coming in number 2. Skyr 90mm Astronomical. Young stargazers can learn how to use a telescope with the Skyr 90mm Astronomical refractor telescope. It comes with 3 eyepieces, 25mm, 10mm, and 5mm pieces that correspond to magnifications of 24 times, 60 times, and 120 times, respectively, and an adjustable tripod to help kids get a precise view. The device also uses an easily maneuvered alt-azimuth mount, making it a great telescope for kids. As far as telescopes go, this one is pretty affordable, especially given the included accessories. The only downside is that while this Skyr device is lighter than the Skywatcher Classic 200, it's still a bit heavy for kids at nearly 18 pounds. Pros: 3 eyepieces. Adjustable tripod included. Alt-azimuth mount for easy adjustments. Under $300. Cons: not easy to carry. Coming in number 1. Skywatcher Classic 200. Dobsonian telescopes are ideal for beginners. Their alt-azimuth, or 2-axis, mounts are easy to maneuver, they let in plenty of light, and they offer simple setup. The Skywatcher Classic 200 Dobsonian 8-inch is one of the best for its ease of use. It uses Skywatcher's proprietary tension control handle to make swiveling and adjusting a breeze. Two eyepieces help widen the field of view, and a 2-inch focuser with 1.25-inch adapter adds to the telescope's flexibility. If you're looking to upgrade from whatever slightly crappy viewfinder app you downloaded to your smartphone, the Classic 200 comes with a 9x50 finder scope. The only downside to this otherwise robust device is that it's heavy at 45 pounds. It detaches into two pieces, a 20-pound tube and 25-pound base, that make it slightly easier to carry around, but it may be difficult to haul around on foot. Pros: Dobsonians are ideal for beginners. Large aperture and magnification. Adapter, eyepieces, and finder scope included. Cons: heavy. Expensive.